What exactly is a NumPy array? A NumPy array is a multidimensional array of homogeneous data types. It's the core data structure in the NumPy library, which is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. Key characteristics of NumPy arrays. Homogeneous data types. All elements in a NumPy array must be of the same data type, example integers, floats, strings. Multidimensional. NumPy arrays can have any number of dimensions, from 0D, scalars, to higher dimensional arrays like matrices and tensors. Efficient operations. NumPy provides optimized operations for working with arrays, often implemented in C or Fortran for speed. Vectorization. NumPy allows you to perform operations on entire arrays at once, avoiding the need for explicit loops. Indexing and slicing. You can access and manipulate elements of NumPy arrays using indexing and slicing. Common use cases for NumPy arrays. Numerical computations, performing mathematical operations on large datasets efficiently. Data analysis, manipulating and analyzing data, such as statistical calculations or data visualization. Machine learning, representing and processing data for various machine learning algorithms. Scientific computing, solving equations, simulating physical systems, and more. Example. Import NumPy as NP. Hashtag create a 1D NumPy array. ARR equals np.array, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hashtag create a 2D NumPy array, matrix. Matrix equals np.array, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hashtag perform array operations. Result equals ARR plus 2 hashtag add 2 to each element. Print, result. In summary, NumPy arrays provide a powerful and efficient way to work with numerical data in Python, making them essential for various scientific and data-related tasks.